Hi, and welcome to Triple C Trailer Sales in Watervliet, Michigan. Today we are going to walk you through a 2025 model 4-star 2+1. This trailer is 8 foot tall and it has a 23.5 foot box stall. Starting here in the dressing room, it is 4 feet. There is a fold-up step at the door, rubber on the floor, 3 saddle racks on a removable post. The ceiling in the dressing room and the horse area are fully insulated. Have the bulkhead door here. Now here in the box stall, the front stall, we have heavy duty bars, and then on this door we did the latch so you can open it from the inside, and then there's another fold-up step at that door, which gives you easier access if you want to get out that way. There's also a fan here, and there are 2 fans in the back. There's also a total of 4 roof vents, so plenty of airflow. Here on the floor, instead of rubber or the mats, we did a WERM floor. That stands for We Eliminate Rubber Mats. So you have a permanent poured floor. And then here we have the stud doors, white red stud doors. These are nice because there's no center post. Okay. Then at the head we have the drop-down doors with drop-down bars. This is a bigger head area we added, so it's larger than the standard. And then this has the quiet ride rolling divider. So this is also super easy. This is going to make a full box stall. You just push it over the side. Okay, and then the windows at the rear also have the heavy duty bars, an additional 2 fans. Both of the ramps have the easy lift. And then we'll show you here. So if you want to, so now you have the option, everything's open, to have 2 full Okay, this trailer also has a hydraulic jack. There's stainless on the nose. This is the charcoal metallic skin with graphics. It is priced at $61.9. And if you have any questions, please call us at 269-463-6121.